Hello, agus fáilte Thig. Na Seansálaithe is smaoilead seans an láchiad na Seansálaithe. Bhíon méid sin sceitmí arm gur Harbh go ringá le mess as Swiss an intro bhí sin just go sesan a bheith rás. Is mi sé Hugh McGill cheara agus sé seo Eagrán uair go thomá nua gur mí maigh as ahanning I dtéis linn an seachtainí bheith thart mar a bhí agan bhí ar mar bhís agah bhí duine teart sin a dheomuid héit sin níos moile a go dtí sin tá anseo le chuid cólachaí le muid cairde tá actually buzzá le nes bhú a tá actually like len beans mar seo dhéanú ach tá anseo a rís muid cairde ar dús buire anywhere Áine go dtí mar tú.
Go maiid tá bis thum anseo a bheith arás in é seachtain ar haéis bhí agan.
Yeah, I mean technically ní ro cos bhí Eagrán amach go fáil so bhí mu go fáil sin ach ní rommuid beáil mar dearan siad an seachtainí bheith thart ach sin rud stáhata go níos fearr agus fásta tá man seo le ma haiscí ma stór James ó Fláirte James tí mar tú.
Go má ní le me na fo sin bheith gluibh ríomharm so sin go má bóáil hé sé de seachtain mí am ar an weekend off a bhí man an choran nach ruchtdal le fórum so happy out agus leis an Eagrán an Áine tú Hugh bhí listen am ho agus cinna chu tú le chéad compilation go just rudí look thick I rút muise like cúig episode was like.
Well, bhí aim an Eagrán nó book funtí as Ted's right agus James caiim mar ré na rudí bhí tú ré bhí si san na rudí is fair. Although leis an ré bhí se ruí dalí iad de chuirla cheile so as in bhí a lein rudí dáreite so chance má tarlín se le chuidir déanaine bhí sin ríéis má chur bunt an pí aimime me
Áine náfa COVID rís, okay?
Náfa COVID rís Áine, oh my god.
Tá buí
sin goháin úirtuáin a bhí se coolá like mis Hugh Renoli.
Well arc for mis COVID chuine má bhela so tá níos mó am héin in is ná den mar goh se.
Fair enough. Jimmer, no, that's true. I'm going to say any fast. Listen, airing your rare. Jimmer V to like a road to intachin or a road to the like kind of what to in the year.
Bhí mé intachin. Ní rom asú leis, mar during leor din yoga, she'm grow sort jarchu in the leg. Be much go bra mine much bhí leor chuid cardra asher is cumulum in a yevlin asher mine to fine to it. But bhí me dost go mai leis. Bhí me caite bhí pint ar fud mo chorp chinnas cin droch leid an casach dul tá fós casat arm ach tá me fiosú. Níl sé jazz agad.
So that road to review go hortstá COVID cén size jarfa júpa.
If I could give it a 0 I would.
No, do up to 5 stars though, because it kind of said what it was supposed to do.
Yeah, so, true.
Hugh
Coslarán seal.
Yeah,
exactly. Does what it says in the tin. Dini ran nach COVID an shiv in the Amadan. Ta COVID on. As Neil jazz. Neil Miss Rona jazz.
No.
Come on, like nervous arms. One check lower marks some sufficient. Like one check all law. Like. On 48 hours a look want completely maach sama ní sin an choirí chorbe bhí ma thuirseach fuair agus siúil sus a staide was like got was Mount Everest.
Chuoi me foine siúlód amháin an teachtain lig agus bhí gur anal arm bhí má poffer a ghlacu má inhélar a ghlacu agam ahanil le cúplóir sa lá agus tá sé dulí rudbí dhéana is má him goil má chuid like my level acliachta go homlan just imihin na gadú tosu on túsaríis.
Yeah, bhí na bhí se armsa bhí se like bhí se really nevnear margin like bhí go homlan scrista a han margin and then iri Chinese fair and then chain the hollow and then bhí se really nevnearish but níor chaim ar níor chail tú blasna go hebí ar na balú ar chailenne.
Buis le dí sin rud sin an tain rud nar na Harley do why me cos a groahan symptom vi fear ma wuchel me like a rapal a tree blankets a han lavi me go voor Nero session go chin lumsa vi me cosle just dinne maru or an tologur fa seachtainiúil like really war se an seachladh dúsa
an ra ein side effect neamh hotantad na tada
vi well nisro neamh hotinte ach vi leor pin like na sinuses arm vi sir pinte dul tríd mahúla agus marrón a sí an aigeig as in mochlúsa bu se really fud an cléigen agus chun an tús vi déine ra an ní fi cochinte dó bheith sa srón goil sé dír I docht ach vi sé cos leis leid an ceart cos le flú dúsa.
Yeah, because that's something that we arms version like weirdly enough like those bug on Sraith arms like just flare out as us. Seem like geez like need to retain the dash and edit a fucking 10.
No.
Even just like cross this lab all on like 100 copy. Yeah, so not catch COVID.
No.
Not let it on. Yeah.
Sin a top tip atá ging. Má walking tú ein rud as an phodchraoladh seo is ná fáid COVID. Mas féidir.
I wouldn't mind a chemisgur COVID cáilte ri forráine. Sure. Na popní do gusclid thu í mar like COVID imi. COVID imi. Boom.
Grand.
Forráine.
Yeah, but ní creidim gur warma dhéh líon gan AI agus feimime sé ghfuil se kind of I géirí níos lige.
Yeah. Sin rud Harley doing your fad though like holua is a holus fianning like right much charty Jerry dan fandom seo like chuimiis in the walla a rash go den ald an ceadúir le like couple of V agus holua is a hanning ma shaft cha will ma letting it a den V jar for like COVID so it's like near my few even so walla couple of sort of Roma exposed so yeah I think Roma's like shafted or
should I root for you though nah Wat you get bheith 8 bliain d'aois agus bheith cans le do chud garchláán agus rá. Oh, this COVID was that oh this my looking you were ready for. No, it's not. Fucking former COVID back in 2022.
agus mar jaab go ma party at. Fi ma mental. Mental.
Ní ma cos lipse vi actually piece of crack in them so.
Glíidirránis le warmwood leis an scéalinn sin.
Yeah, that was good. Warm se chuid pandemic.
Yeah.
Get a ship sinna. Give us a metaverse.
Ne?
Jog on.
Denú Severus the Hudge cryptocurrency. Emi lá to feck. He fears you don't like jarred like shanding you bitch like shulma shafrij na like a skull a han lair fá chuig míle agus cosnacht agus vi glunne brister an earler a hanna to whatever like you know that sin muting a it like yeah warmaging a fridge fan din agus vi you know fiaring in the mass near for the criú because you know vi skelty milch not tarlu I was just like yeah granddad yeah okay cool
yeah come on my friends a shavy
you know ma an shift le ha blian Ronarm James
Tá mis sé gaiir sa James a Queenú tan uon céine an dacian.
Still ongoing in countdown and shift up.
Bhí me go le ré ní hiic an lochtach ar COVID ní smó caiú nó bur chuir statú.
Tá brandfuil is How I Met Your Mother le Journey News le get catch us in the Bally Barney Stinson so
oh yeah get the inspo l agus pí you know bet you glocky tú a cat na Barney Stinson na Gael come to feck on chin da iríon leat ach má na side effects caveat actually is in my hack in seo má lia ta yeah den you testal go jarfa le COVID just year an new agus tá like clúas in bhneacu I know hol se mar sin chuiche like your whole nutrition arm sa chuiche ínta áit.
Bhí rash actually nar luin tú the psoriasis bhí actually bhí sin get bag náf coinnta bhí rash dul síos mo winil don cé dála. Na rudí is así na ní cheappa gomach si sin buinte le virus COVID like but tá sé sin go le 100 tarlú de sinir a COVIDirt.
Ru this new in terms of like go actually hall to fitness and look like you miss like we should like probably root this fit we might leave river format and then format because like more do my girls a style shoot them out team more you might gassed safe to say how much lower on like Jimmy get us segue alert.
Bhí mar fanart ar céhí chun é dhéanú ach mai Hugh my Hugh
Tá fólam
Yeah, exactly. The student has become the master. Well, it can't be a dolly gym. Ring my rod, nachwo gente come chiche river. Agus e huaima isha agus for ma ballroom after dolly gym. He's molecule.
Rodú lasad.
Yeah, you know, the inspirage in more do you know the Oscar Swiss Instagram agus hannig man thing shot new chuig squat. Le hai carhannacht agus bhí le caiime sinna dhéanú caiime se bheith cho bootylicious.
As rinne mé sin le overderm.
Yeah, fair play. Actually, yeah, ring to sin agus bhí chin, so in fairness to you.
Seile mat a duine bhígurí agad thuirt an de Bernardos tá déanana chuig squash tá sé fós asúla gom rinne mé é le overderm as níró se éisce. Tá mai dhéan an chudéil den bhí má tá duine bhí í airgúir tá nasc i mo bhaio.
Nasc sa bhaio. Hiigling é chuirtá a link trí fást na seachtainí. So nasc i bhaio na seachtainí fást mas bainna gáil é eáil. Ach yeah, so no fáigur nearma was the like hug my father like nuir tá like tá se inis le písa stair part the horse tá fihi care, you know tá mud leir much fiji agus hug my father gro ma ag canart tí lentí large and that's medium agus seanní mis medium ma seal omlan and I was like but vi ma like oh like near arin two size it's like you know to two gear ní small like to two fast or whatever. But to my learn much Fiji, so you really fast and small, like to my really get to my again and height careness of Vima, like beyond the hun, Yavlian hun, Trevian hun. So it's only Doyle when you tell my fast and she can punch a shot. So Vima like, okay, yeah, okay, I'm running at the end of Fishaw. But yeah, so to my actually one insult us, like me cap my girl insult about be a bunch us. Because before I'm a beyond him, but I'm actually really bunch of us.
As an bhfuil tré an bhfuil duine tuairt plán dit an bhfuil tré nálaí fi le hegat?
Níl really tá like so chain mohud like na dtíim na honi lá chain siadsan ag in gym goréalta agus like tá like personal trainers for the ag cinhain acu agus tá like blian agus tá really one saltas. But really it's already smoke now just hug siadsan tips to be like okay kai do glarve good. Kai glarve, you know, Jen Shaw, like Shaw, a couple of samples and stuff at the gentleman still like my Gary Ober Shaw. But nothing you be a Kirk MEA, like nothing you be genuine the meal plans, nor would it be immersion. Fish are really up and you actually when I do swear or and loon, because like, oh my god, amazing, yeah, you know, sweatbands, you know, V you know, McGansey, like Pelarm, like I was like, yes, Misha is boss Misha, you know, it was really rare Shaw. And then when I knew agus near eatma like toast like breakfast but near eatma mar and for the biella so rigma and Rod Karen this nearma or and loon and they'd be like yeah okay genta and I was like oh ni figlum to gabi akal I was like I'm losing vision like ni higlum gabi I think okay I should see she's a fight and be like oh movie size like go my Gary little Holly whatever turns out nach regular like funny of Satanko go Harby agus like I Harva karma my hand like really passed out like Marielle or rather be my yanu. So task manage ganchini yanu ni small. But I can just echo A James are like oh my god.
No, it's I'm sure to my game main well just Gory Queen the gym last sweatpants.
Let's get physical. Like 0.5 kg dumbbells.
Oh yeah, really big. Like raker and treadmill, but there's like speed like 2.0, like but much like sprinter like
just a shoeler and gradient.
Yeah.
Like
oh my god, yeah. Like a new jazzercise.
Being called the New Year's resolutions that tend to go mad so that do back sa gym. Bíontas go le gym lína mion?
Bím sé an gym. Well sin an rud go me an sort pissed off leis in é an COVID ver, mar bhí me an waithedul a mí anar chu me ceúir sa teachtain bhí cuiní me le plán a bhí Jean leor bhí me aclí as isnééis an teachtain amháin seo mohím cos le ghfuil sé le caiiltegum agus mohím nachfuil me abalta dulrás go fáil, tá me gurí dulrás as ní mohím nachfuil le foiinú nó an anal I gheart go fáil le dulrás ach is sprálam bheith sa gym mohím ionta nar héim.
Yeah, it's a happy place down there either, like so. Yeah, well, like ní sam ceach what is in huge. Is wrong on the so ní sam ceach what just go to gym la tain chun uin is braga because need motivation answer. The motivation answer go wrong and then let the moon wrong CrossFit new spin new because I ain't.
Me too spin all.
Spin class man, yeah. Don't knock it.
Ní higlum tú háilt hús ar drothir de háin snéir le óran igen bapal.
Leis na yummy mummies ar fád.
Ní had 1970s spin class like like we ran to it aim at foot and pedal look fin the looked in the spin. So yeah, spin circuits agus CrossFit. As long as we've been against all that there's orders home. Tau. And then obviously football train out which the bitches down on their inversion, so that's good. It was that so I'm happy. Just cartoonies with this malcolm agus could alles. So be more hard.
So the mission Gary to see any ruling at do so just chemistry torch mathich and ish in the wine.
Yeah, basically, yeah. Nu sin bell gewoon le mo riach nu alger belgele ban geroos mo.
Yeah. But it's rud fear sin though. It's rud gur Jaron should go beam to níos fear ag genu acliat mata tú Gary like dunne value na mat Gary like mata de dunne lat go to go some good onto so bedrunish thing try to walk lat the gym bedra and you bedra bishin rud obri my clock to the wool gym as like moral support.
Denim sin tá mis ufas a dul am hain bí ar gcóí dul am úchail fiú mohím as mé genú mat me hála go squat rack agus tá genúirt us go chuig kg níos troma ar an bear mohím manhfuil dennéigen an sinlum go dití mar ar háin go rahí me siir agus mé me I get snéir so bíar gin bhelum ach ní me se roihaide chu breúm hain dal bíarm duine bhelum le sort spraguúirtú agus just sin do dhéanú stop a garan.
Yeah. Well is ag ration seá a chead seachting so chance go bhfuil me like fuck this like again like
yeah. You see tá carding car attitude agus tá bucha out on you see motivation means amsa na going out come a funny sexy so shouldn't miss a good awards in the gym be like okay yeah just come another day to get sexier okay.
Bhín James ar an treadmill agus picture de Brad Pitt as a chóir as a rihin in é.
Bag ní Ryan Gosling is me like jeez come a bhemar hin
sin miss it. I think tú go be sin a fáil like nar a bhí mai gym gur like Harva crumma ma hin the hallú was the Jenny stuff just like totally blank on my I was just like vibing away and then Dark Mar and treadmill is you like Lafar has a lapse and I was like oh fuck okay right probably be hard to stop all the Shanish.
Ví tú rihir fel ahur as
no not her fo not an Jesus no oh my god no bring my like left re because she'll yeah no Niama oh my god sorry there were my like savants like the fitness because not rules because we're just like yeah no never mind re or fo the J kilometer again like Cara quite bumacha like my yen and
just round the Hugh Susis v marathoner to you.
I was like yeah we can gym le shavely and news
to costa run fat boy run since year and bhaith me guy got a big costa
I did that knew too far as gump.
I already walked into that. We shouldn't like Jira. Why who? We shouldn't.
Oh,
Tá sin sé ní stopan se.
Bes go cheartm bheith mar stand-up.
Ledger and just thingy a roastal and timer fod.
Yeah. Just by my comes go my heart dini there ma. Kayasu scale shoe and then just toss my magafu and then my energy's at the back though got some feelings and he had at the raw back now.
Yeah. Kai should just toss was thingy nachho gaelic aku. Sorry ni name just the ra. That's just the ra. Jay? Bastard? No, that's okay. That's go function. West. Shouldn't fuck with that. Well Fitbits agus a hanú goh le céó de réir si faoi á aine tú de caiad cin san is.
Tá cheanarm forme se seo sim gur ahan den na chean sa cé dín glasal. Bhí hosí má suirt má eistear achlíochta sa dín glasal le Joe Wicks agus na fi sean ar chana YouTube saige agus an sin hosí me an plán nócha lá agus say Joe Wicks and goat first dairy lum dul treat and Jean glass on me there sin mar gro me gacliacht generacliacht dahan lá agus tá plan no maige so ma tatigéir sinna ana Hugh ma tatigéir duine le tú a bhrú agus planúirtis is tá bí agus tá planacliacht a fi go bom se an láige sin de air tá mé rálat so sin fágul an Fitbit ogum san na hosí sé sa Jean glass als ran mé ra ó hin Meall an rí Joe Wicks.
An rí. A legend. What is it go dearthaige dó a mí genú like Jeannie? The candle wicks. I might just say seach go Jean microphone. Sinead.
Go an phodchraoladh stoppo an sin.
Sílam gur bheith sin, eh?
Dat is shot chiche Eagrán journal.
Think how the dad jokes is massive that ma la piece of ma.
James Gurmila Waigas.
Like Vina machine more compliment version.
Oh, okay. So goodbye to no. Vision.
You don't need to on the road go behind dad joke is fair hole to because he days go down this count ma.
No. Neil should fear. Neil should fear heel.
No. Like I actually answer more Tinder, I think. It's kill she's a new hinge actually. It's kids are not horrible. Oh yeah, isn't it crazy that there's more planes in the sea than submarines in the sky? Well, it's pretty plain to see.
Oh my god.
Finger bay shin and canis massa hula Mario.
No, but that's funny because they play on words. I was like
Akmar dirtu valak mai is
yeah.
Agus a word matchavi modular and jokes and go
That's how to get home agus matches Hugh. Ní more an tin people. And I'm a coolant.
Is boca just who James Park. Well it can't
like can't we then we should go to segue in the niche. Okay, right. 1 second, right. Shaw Áine, Shaw the chance, Shaw the tainers. She'll after the segue.
Kainter chinny lasso to which Condolsta I Lá Vailintín lenár good groghealna a phlé. Sin go nearma sin go homlam ní cheart.
Do you know what? Glock much less. You know
what? Ní mal mo do to mud.
Oh yeah. Well, James, nish 1 second, because tá chance agad sa go mé cunneogad, you know, is tá sealú go fáil is an Jerry seachtainiúil, you know, chance go bhfuilú tú le dingin seart an nacht na just ahar na Judoni, so
Bín tú gcónaí play na cálíní de híal atá cálíálaine atá de híal lenne, so ní ná bhí rá ná bhfuil dinner bí.
Na bhfuil chance agad.
Ná bhfuil chance bí.
Ní sam cin fáil a dús gofuil plural in na cálíní tá mo híal. First of all, agus sin an dána rud ná that is effect on níos mú a mis feic aláine to be honest ní se feic tá timp agus níos am nú déidir lá mar faoi ban tá imó híal so áine take it away in is so that fi is láir fi Valentine's is láir faoi dé mór
Love is in the air.
Lá fucking shitty.
Everywhere look around.
The Mr. Mood fi lá love isn't real, alright.
So caiimiid ahrú túm James tag graph here, but tag ra one. Is there love actually mar dearan shit?
All around.
Love is all around me.
Feel it in my toe.
Sin rud be ceart dhéanú James bhfuil a rud snogad ar hinge leis a voice note dhéanú.
No, agus ní má go.
Níl se a ré James like tá canúint gáin tugad, like tá glór gáin tugad, is ceoltar who is is parsantacht tú, is character who like dar úsat tú sin agus beidir gur úsat tú árán cos lei sin ná beidir you sexy thing that was have to dog lei sin dhéanú.
No.
Well, mar dearan siad ar ógra hinge gcónaí, the app designed to be deleted. So thug le duine a bhealgad denis. Fuchinne Lá Fhéile Vailintín.
Look, okay, ní má go daine á slúpa sin. It's not realistic, alright? Agus na daine tí amach cuptar amach a date agus just nearest to know se can disheartening, like, you know? Ach, speaking of na prompt sin, Hugh, an voice prompt, the bhach mai gáil ceanna inne. Hóking líne ó New Girl.
Oh yeah.
Agus is ceanna with Winston Bishop.
Winnie the Bish.
I'm just a sweet, sweet six.
I think an
random New Girl.
I think an operation, yeah. No, higlaat genuine rud nar a dearn go chun like afresh enu a dingin chat cuz hánig má like fi an shot like esa agus vi like hi Shama afresh da Pete or Joe as Family Guy and then it's like Suenyas and then she's just like hey Peter agus like in damn man dearn. So dan yarn to shin Bedrick mission rud a valley in the mra.
So just go ma so should that my Irish go Hugh McGillicaro. Go Jay mar atá sibh.
Agus le leprechaun.
Pam across the leprechaun.
James goes le leprechaun.
Hello. I think I nailed this chin in that either, so
Caiú Ganzi mar seo and then bitu cheer caian Ganzi ar na el and bitu Ableton and afrish farfad da Hugh McGillicari enu.
Okay. Nog an cant fumse, dan was cant Valentine's job.
Yes.
Nog shipse fun fun times okay.
So Áine, could you to see enu le Fhéile Vailintín?
Níl mar an planál agam. Sílam go muid golfuchanne béle jazz an seo an gáliú go Martins. Agus beidir go raithimid le scanana eáil I balas a nation.
Cén scanan?
Cool me bhfuil licorice pizza go mai.
Anmíthe le Oscars, yeah, tá.
Sílam go bheici mu sin.
Like capá tú go le capú ggóil má ag mágu inis. Ach ina rire ten scanan uair jackass deadly.
An romansú.
An romanso. Níama mágu le tá actually really my agus like real like her thing is she's like 30 gross cost a positive masculinity. Agus is genuinely inta jazz. Obviously not better nihation of vibe to the court to Lá Fhéile Vailintín.
Beidir né couple glenne fine.
Oh yeah.
Archer.
Bin a duflan le Valentine's Hugh.
Yeah, cé tarsú agad sa le de chaú.
Tá done whole jackass forever ecolarish. Lumhain. Well tá machallingar go fáil hal Liverpool. So tásúla gom nach si I géisiir le seánis ach tá blahanní ag teacht an leisin higgin teach agus an sin tá actually go bheith hall I London is Jerry seachtainií sin mar eag bhfuil se breithlá mo wahi Rashing Donny so beidir béis sin me déta don le Valentine but yeah blahanní don banní hain and then I don't know beidir go buiad jaastí beidir higlín genú and I know walk the dingy gendered like Jingar snatch here and the achar Zoom or whatever.
Fáilte Zoom is beart na cuine lasú agus ahnard.
Yeah. I really hope that she gets a show because then be like belch much plan but yeah no so vision the plan more ní féidirling é chaithú licheile snatch here but sure look be my
cos le Jean glasáil ar is 100 ar Zoom.
Yeah I mean how should you go off licheile har Zoom well not neuro shot like off but like we bud like hella Zoom and then women Swiss like like yeah Ramage ball hella agus sin Harley Jean Glass or 5 ella then we shot like a rashig Zoom reach agus our FaceTime so yeah so just much can I change it and then could be your ella a cham sheer Liverpool then ambition and Le Valentine cart
so by yeah I'll give shit the Kelly
sorted. Absolutely sorted.
I'm just going to root the one off a half flans taggy.
Agus James Jim to see a new Valentine.
Well, be me shit race. Ik ga brand the Super Bowl to do. So hopefully be my roll on the max lab agus
spice bag or do.
Either ich me heen machas on lá nu go me go gym agus be ran mar main ra cat far sexy man so dan ra dan
James Rahim is Jim McNam Kieran so go like you know
solidarity Rahim would you like Jim McNam here Jaloon
yeah so I having it but to think be modically not kind of take the gyms or far because bet chance get back to Misha passed out or Kair and shocked in the A gan Gulariche
Sure Della oh new girl actually agus Beiidir sweet mai Fáilte Vailintín a chuisca dóid gnéanaan gomín Jess mar chuid de grúpa de ghoine single agus aim an grúpa ná go gad a brúchar chéile fannacht single ní ligan siad a chéile duna bhí fágú ná dul amach
just
agus cin hálann ag dead an episode sin á je go burst acu le chéile agus a rán acu lu so stop with the plans on it. No, just no, okay. Look, ní mo chu desperate go gab a group of singletons all like walk. To so content lo main on you, okay?
Galway singletons.
The Galway singletons. I think mentioning Gamai. I think your cartage Instagram account to like Hellenish.
Galway Galentines.
Galway Galentines.
Galway Galentines. Sinead an animal.
Oh my god, bitty sorted. Shorted. Are you? Well, Matt, the thing be gay shot lesh a Claire and you agus you know so the general go happy yellow le Valentine. Agus go sim aku collar or death of Bugla James just her chat to you lehanna and we'll sort it out. But not her James lehanna.
I feel like Hugh agus Áine mo has more agus to just get him arranged marriage on.
There's just these chat le fucking ages agus ní so flag a had.
Mellow was age.
Fight to ban and chat line chat. You know, bit grand. Kind of the Gary Garfish. I want grandchildren. So Chop,
How much
James.
longer do we have to wait?
Yeah, come on, James. I
just got a tour to us. There's no hope left. I just got to us. Ní my Garrett had these move. Just no.
Just that the Sinaglish.
Yeah. Oh my god, yeah.
No.
That's the Haggard.
And to her James.
Flaherty.
Ní mu
Tá flaharta, oh my god, yeah.
Mr. Rap, an episode is. All right, go on.
Agus an nóta sin. Gur míle maigim as a bheith I ggéisiir leis an seanslaithe hóáasta go muid arráisla cheile ríis mar fe seansgur chola tú me se agus a gang bheith ar bís le bhéile cheile ríis. Agus bhéh muid arráis a an charting le Eagrán nua mar le chuidir ní bhéh muid tinne ríis le tamilnas margheall go muid le post-COVID. Mas the game muid amsú ar na main hoisiilta tá muid ag na seanslaí ar Instagram, na seanslaí ar Twitter, tá muid na seanslaí ar YouTube agus is féidir le an fi an gáanta seo ecan agus muid gur go jazz. Mas the Gary Áine amsú ar na main hoisiilta tá si mar Áine Weir ar Twitter agus Áine Weir ar Instagram. Agus ar TikTok, Áine Weir ar TikTok. Sin tá James ar flahartach ar Instagram, flahartach ar Twitter agus flaharta na be ar TikTok fastas ar ddíar mar an ggéarna. Agus sin ma hain ar Hugh here ar Instagram agus Twitter agus sin just gra Hugh ar TikTok cos me able to fab ma sir dan here you know my guy lacu ní smó. Bé ras a ríis an ine sugan sin ced Eagrán eile agus tá last just hosá go le garage like we actually the work quick new and chattings by heart. Like child like genuine like really says to go much like garage like hella.
Ní lo féhinine gro dahad womate de chora a gon ddíra raibh tafa seo. Gro an ná an tafa déna ach bhíar na neirtnarrála héile. Inar mu Jeremy tosú tafid.
Bhí má ddíra chun
Scandals lugain.
Na scandals so bé sin dá lein chart le. Beidir dá hasí much Patreon then pretty much. No, actually, yeah, no, ní hiigh oh my god, na córa.
If you walk up through the hallway in our stand-ups.
Oh, yes, yeah, ní hiigh video. Oh, yeah, agus na Gaelgari, charhaigh na Gaelgari ar an daú le Jake, dummy Martha, because be much like the lahar, be much genu gig, agus then like Mata the Ennis James Gary sat yenu, I don't know, fact much. Badger. But be much definitely set agus so Mata the molecule and leis and Jenkins court or ogin agus much sa conrin na Gaelic. Right, Sinead, come with an omerkil account agus the bimage and chari in lie. So gur mí mil maigim is up the Vegas reach the chance of bimage rash a rish and starting slugging agus suing to be Jerry Seachtainí down to go. Slán live.
Slán.
Come on guys.